Hey YouTube, Male Cavity here. So I'm in the process of setting up this open box motherboard for my 2700X, and I think I'm just gonna kind of go for it and see if the CPU works with it and everything like that. Just do a quick unboxing for myself. I'm sure you guys have seen unboxings for the CPU. It's probably nothing special, but I guess this is just kind of for me again. If you want to watch it, you can watch it. I've never actually unboxed. I've unboxed a Ryzen. I have a 1700X, but that thing didn't come with a cooler and stuff, so I'm kind of interested to see what that looks like, and so let's see what's actually in here. Something like that. This is the the famous Zen cooler. It's big. I thought I grabbed another beverage for myself. Maybe not. It's very beefy. So that looks like it's a thing. Alright, so you got, that would be the RGB cord. This would be like a power, probably for the fan or something. Or I bet you there are two different types of RGB cords or something. Oh, it's a USB, so you can probably control it via that. Wow. It looks like classic old school, like, you know, well, it looks like pretty much any other regular old-fashioned CPU cooler, I guess. It's got the brackets on it like back in the day. It's kind of neat. Got your thermal paste on there, copper base, aluminum fins. CPU fell down into the hole. So there you go. Ryzen 2700X. Hope it's a good chip. Hopefully this board works. I'm really excited for this board. I really am. I really wanted this board. Salesman tried to talk me out of it. I really wanted it. I really hope it works well with this. He's like, oh, probably might even have a new BIOS on it since it's been returned so many times. It was a good deal. So there she is. One CPU boy. Come on, focus on it. Look at it. Ooh. Pins. Neat. Pretty neat. So, yeah. Not much to unbox. Like I said, this is more video for me, I guess. If you want to watch it and you want to dislike it, go for it. If you want to like it, because, you know, whatever. There's no cat in this video either. I have no idea where he is. He's been kind of upset. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to get back to plugging away at this build and, you know, see if I can get this board, CPU, all that to boot, and see what happens with it. So stay tuned to my channel for that.